Corvette buyers had complained about the car's lack of power. The T-Bird came with a large V8 engine. Power steering and brakes completed the package. On the road, the T-Bird not only looked good, it could outperform a Corvette in its sleep. It became a popular choice for magazine covers and the subject of countless articles. Some Ford executives still weren't convinced that there was enough of a market for a two-seat car. But when it went on sale in October 1954, 4,000 were ordered on the first day, more than 16,000 sold by January. The Thunderbird production line was operating at full capacity. It was making a mark across the country. The car cost less than a Corvette, had more performance and more luxury. It was hard to beat.